You have tried so hard to achieve a very simple egg wrap by yourself without involving third party, but it's just not working. How about trying this out and let me know the result, the outcome after you have tried it. I tried this in less than 3 minutes and I was able to achieve this. So what you're going to do now is grab that material and fold it up into three parts like this. Straighten it up, down, everything down like this. And once you achieve this, we're going to be moving to the next step. So what are we doing in the next step? Place it from the back of your head. You're going to direct it towards the front like this and grab all the excess. But before you go to the next thing, you're going to arrange it well. Make sure it's laying down flat on your hair. Then you come to the front where we're going to apply the second method. Then you cross it right to left and left to right. Just once, okay, and make sure it is firm. But before I work with the second one, I have to secure this one down with an office pin so that I'll be able to remove my hand and work with the first part. So we folded it. I'm going to open it up like this, so it's going to be wider. If you don't want to open it up, you can just dip it in at that hole and secure. But I just feel, let me open it up. I'm going to go to the back, and you can use the elastic band to grab it before dipping it in at the back. But I decide to dip in straight like this and adjust it well. Once you're done, come back to the front again, remove that part you secured, remove the pin, then you'll be able to work with the other parts. This is very simple. It's just a sharp one. You don't want to stress yourself at all. You just want to make something simple. Lay your hands on this. You can actually achieve this very easy. Okay, so you're going to take it like this. Just make rough bleeds down, 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 down. Take it down. Take everything down like that, the way I'm showing you on this video, and you're just going to be rolling it up. Just take it round like you are rolling your fufu and eba before you swallow. Just roll it round like that. But while I'm rolling it, I want to leave one edge, okay, unpicked. So I'm trying to adjust that so that I will not pick that edge to give me that shape I want. So I try to adjust to leave it. Then while I'm rolling and dipping under and not on top, please take note of that part. You dip it under as you are rolling, continue to put it under so that it will not fall off. But if you put it up, it will fall off. So dip it under. That's one technique about this. So you're going to grab the excess with office pin to secure, and you adjust all the adjustables. Very necessary. So you can see what we are having now. Okay, so if you want something sharp, try this and let me know the outcome. I'll see you guys in my next video. Share the video and like. Bye.